I just got unlimited access to Veo 3.1 and Sora 2, completely free. No watermark, no waitlist, no hidden fees, no credit card. And I'm about to show you exactly how. Now I know what you're thinking, that's impossible. So if you're tired of paying for expensive AI tools, don't skip this video.
All right, everyone, eyes up here. Pay close attention because I'm about to show you a website where you can use Sora and Veo 3.1 for free.
All right, so here's my screen. The platform that gives you free unlimited access to both Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 is called Gemini Gen AI. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so just follow along. So here's the interface. It's really clean and simple. On the top left, you will find Studio, History, and Pricing. We will explore them one by one later. For now, click on Studio. Here you will find 5 different options: Chat with AI, Video Gen, Imagen, Speech Gen, Dialogue Gen. Today we're exploring Video Gen, specifically Veo 3.1 and Sora 2. Let's start with Sora 2. This is OpenAI's video model, and it's incredibly powerful for different reasons than Veo 3.1. Sora 2 excels at human characters, complex scenes, with lots of elements, and it's also amazing at action shots and slow motion. Scroll down and select the video generation provider as Sora. Select the model, and you can also add reference image you want. In the Prompt tab, type your prompt. I'm going to create a scene with a character, a person writing in a cozy study during a rainy evening. This is the kind of scene that tells a story, and that's where Sora really shines. Select the orientation, resolution, duration, and hit Generate with Sora.
Another page. Steady hand, steady thoughts. Rain's been at it all evening. Good company, though. All right. Where was I?
This is what makes Sora 2 so revolutionary for content creators. You can visualize concepts, create B-roll for your videos, make engaging social media content, all from text descriptions. Notice how detailed it is? Sora 2 is really good at capturing human emotion and natural movement. Notice these camera movements? Sora handled these kinds of dynamic camera moves really well. You can create content like this without any 3D modeling, without any video editing software, without hiring actors or setting up a shoot. You just describe what you want to see, and Sora 2 creates it. Let's try an action shot. This time, I want to show you how well it handles movement and physics. A professional skateboarder performs an impressive kickflip trick in an empty urban parking garage at sunset. Select the orientation, resolution, duration, and hit Generate with Sora. Notice the slow motion, the skateboard rotation, the physics of the landing? This is exactly what I asked for. And remember, we're doing this for free. No Sora waitlist, no expensive subscription, nothing. And one thing I should mention, both Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 are constantly improving. The developers are updating these models regularly, so the quality you're getting today is only going to get better over time. All right, now let's switch to Veo 3.1. This is Google's latest video model, and it's absolutely incredible for realistic cinematic shots. Let me show you. Same as previous, scroll down and select the video generation provider as Veo. Select the model, and you can also add reference image you want. In the Prompt tab, type your prompt. I'm going to create a product shot, a sleek, modern smartphone slowly rotating on a minimalist white pedestal in a professional studio environment. Dramatic cinematic lighting creates soft shadows and highlights. Select the orientation, resolution, duration, and hit Generate with Veo. Veo 3.1 is exceptional at realistic rendering. It understands materials really well. Look at that. The lighting is beautiful. The rotation is smooth. This is the quality you'd expect from a paid service, and we just did it for free. I can download this directly. Super simple. And notice, no watermarks. This is yours to use. Now let's generate one more with Veo 3.1. this time with a completely different style, a nature scene. Select the orientation, resolution, duration, and hit Generate with Veo. Okay, this is stunning. Look at the water movement, the way the light is hitting the waves. This is legitimately professional-grade footage. You could use this in a travel video, a commercial, whatever you need. Let's explore other features. For the instant, select Imagen. It will lead you to this interface. Now, select the model from the drop-down menu. I am selecting Nano Banana Pro. Next, you can also select the style from 15 plus available styles. Type your prompt in the Prompt tab. Select the aspect ratio, and you can also add reference image you want. Hit Generate. I've been using Gemini Gen AI for a while. It's fast, capable, and brings Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 into one dashboard, completely free. We covered Video Gen and Imagen, but there's more. Chat with AI, Speech Gen, and Dialogue Gen. Pricing? Right now, it's free. But if you want more control, Gemini Gen lists 3 different offers. Veo Max at $10 per month, Veo Sora Ultimate at $15 per month, and Sora Max at $10 per month. If you like this walkthrough, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which model or trick you want me to test next. See you in the next AI Chemie episode.